Well, it is a Friday as I produce this video, and I'm going to give you some tips, maybe some tricks, some gossip about what works, what doesn't work, in the pursuit of trying to get people to pre-enroll or click or read your email. Or if they click a link, they watch a little video and they decide, am I in, out? Do I want to pre-enroll, put my name and my email address in a capture page, knowing that daily you're going to get emails about said product or opportunity. Okay. But what's one good thing you should always do? And that's have chapstick. Okay. My favorite is vanilla latte. And these are hard to find. And if they're at Walmart, I buy the whole box. If there's 10 or 20 of them, I buy every one of them. Because, chapstick, it lasts like 10 or 20 years on your shelf in your bathroom. You can forget you even bought the darn things, and they're still just magically delicious like Lucky Charms. But you should always have some chapstick. Okay. Eye drops are always good. I recommend Sustain because they're a lubricant like Slick 50 WD-40. Visine is just red water. It's water that gets the red out. Do the Sustain. Okay. And if you really want super white eyes, see how white my eyes are, even though they're bloodshot and I'm tired? Lumify. It's expensive. I'm not kidding you. It's $20 for this little bottle, but one little drop makes your eyes electric white. Can you see through my glasses and see with my creepy eyes and my creepy Jason Friday the 13th hat with my creepy Jason Friday the 13th hockey mask around my neck? And with my creepy Friday the 13th Jason doll that sits and dances and looks at me while I do these videos, he hypnotizes me. But by far my biggest secret is to have a super hot Jason doll. That's right. You get her like a super hot stripper doll in tight Levi's. And she has a hockey mask on, machete, axe. But look at that. She's got cute little butt cheeks. Okay, that's not creepy. Nope. No one ever accused me of being creepy. Although they do usually daily. Okay. Have fun in your videos. Have a sense of humor in your emails. Have a good time on your social media posts. Remember, you don't have to be scientific like a professor, some guy or girl in front of your class teaching you about the theory of nutrition in science and how 1 + 1 = 2. And if you can tell your downline to get 2 and they get 2, all of a sudden you're a millionaire in affiliate network MLM marketing. Okay? You don't have to be boring. Okay? Be entertaining. Be humorous. Guys, these are tips I'm giving you. They work for me. All I can do is just kind of storytell a little bit and say, this is what seems to work. All right? When I do emails, sure, you can't do as much personality on a live good video. That's kind of a tongue twister. Or if I'm talking about my funnel system on an email, mostly what I can do is just talk about the personality of the experience, or maybe the experience of the personality in the video. Okay. Or you can just explain, if you click this and watch, here's a result. Here's a feeling. This is something that you might get. Freedom, better health, more money in the bank. Okay. I'm a big believer of talking about the benefits versus the technicality of like, okay, you put a hamburger in that E. coli burger that McDonald's seems to serve with those E. coli flavored onions. Okay. Or talk about, I don't know, the Pennzoil that goes in the engine that revs and gives you 650 horsepower in a brand new Corvette. Or you put the top down. The wind is just blowing over your bald head or your fried hair, and you're sitting there just cranking Cheap Trick or ABBA in your brand new Corvette with 650 horsepower, and you're driving around thinking you're awesome, and girls are going, oh, midlife crisis, huh? I bet you got a thing that big. Okay. There's a lot of things that go in your mind when you dream, when you lay in bed at night with your eyes closed, when you're just, I don't know, sometimes you're tired. Do you ever just sit at your desk and you're in thought? You're thinking of like, God, people really do have that laptop beach lifestyle where they get a laptop on the beach and the sun fries it and the sand gets in the hard drive and just completely screws up everything. People do get fake laptops that make fake videos about sitting on a beach. Okay. If you just want to relax and get up when you want And I mean sleep until whenever your body wants to get up. In my case, I got to get up 200 to 300 times per night to pee because my prostate is bigger than my entire body at this point. I have to carry my prostate on the back of my back. I just carry it around and just squeeze it over something, and it just goes to the bathroom for me at this point. I need an automated. Is there some type of like AWeber get response, maybe some type of automated thing where my prostate will just go to the bathroom for me? Then I can sit and just do videos and talk about things and have fun. Okay. I'm just kidding, guys. I like to mess off on my videos. You probably know that if you watch them regularly, okay? I'm a big fan of humor. Being yourself, okay? If you need to take notes while you're doing a video, please do so. Look down. There's nothing wrong at looking down at notes, and it helps you keep the pace of whatever your agenda is in your video. With emails, go ahead and don't send them right away. Sometimes walk away from an email for like even 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. And read your email before you send it. And you'll go, you know what? I'm too repetitious here. I'm not friendly, or I'm coming off too scientific and boring. Okay? Or send maybe some emails to your mom, your dad, your pet gerbil. Just get some feedback and see if you're more of a friend when you write people versus like you're suing somebody. You got a summons to appear. Your emails are like scary from like a law firm. Okay? I think that you know what I mean. When you get an email from someone you don't know, but it's just darn friendly, and it's written so great, you can almost see and hear and visualize what that person looks like. And if there's a picture at the bottom of the email, that always helps. But most people, when they put a picture of themselves online, it's 10, 20, 30 years ago when they were more handsome or had less wrinkles or maybe a dark, sexy brown beard, not this Santa, Kenny Rogers, Colonel Sanders looking thing I've been growing lately. Okay. But sense of humor, have fun, be yourself. I can't stress that enough. Keep things simple. Okay. When you join, I always tell people, okay, let's just talk about LiveGood. I'm a pretty successful guy in the company. All right. I'm a big fan. I get a business card from Vistaprint for like $25-$30. I buy joincory.com from GoDaddy. $8 to $11, depending if you have a coupon code or what time of the year it is, I guess. And I just take joincory.com and have GoDaddy for free forward it to the LiveGood capture page where people put their name and email address in to join, or they just watch a nice video about the opportunity that's made by the company. I've signed up almost 400 people by doing just that. GoDaddy, business card. Business card on the street. Hey, Cory, what's going on? This is what's going on. Tell me about LiveGood. Nope. Video does. Yeah, but what about, I want you to do the same. Just tell people to watch video. The videos do the recruiting. They talk about the products, the opportunity, the comp plan. Everything has already been done, guys. If you're watching me right now, today I got to look at the date, 10/25/24. We got another week and boom, it's November. Another month or so, bam, 2025. And I still to this day just can't believe that when I get up, I get paid to do this. Okay. Today, before I got up, and I mean all the way up and did my little stretches, and kind of do this and kind of look down and aim. I had to do a tinkle. But guess what? I went to my phone and I made $400 today already before I did the shake. Do you guys sit there and just kind of shake it a little bit, like 300 or 400 times? Because nothing else is going to be down in that area till you have to go pee again. Okay. That's what I did. I checked my email and I went, oh man, I made some money. And then I got some more text saying that I'm going to get paid Monday, because I always get notified Friday what I'm going to get paid Monday. With LiveGood, I get paid every Thursday. In the morning, I get up, they show the pile of cash I got coming in, and it's usually in my account by that afternoon. Just speaking for myself here in America, I just configured LiveGood to a bank, but we even accept Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Figure it out. I pay out. And is it BitPay? We accept a lot of cool stuff. Just get with support@livegood.com. They'll help you set up. They'll help you do credit card processing if you live in a country that's kind of difficult for you to understand language barriers or whatnot. Guys, get a hold of the support team. Plus, at the very top left of your Live Good website, let me show you real quick, and I'll end the video here. Do you see right there, it says select languages? Guys, look at all those languages. Half of them I've never even heard of. Okay, so remember, you can convert even this Live Good video, okay, into different languages. And to do that, if you're on YouTube, click the CC, the closed caption. Right there, you can even decide a language so that maybe you don't understand what I'm saying, but you can read what I'm saying on the bottom. This is an international thing, guys. All I can tell you is I've talked to thousands of people over the last year and a half. Everybody, thank goodness, even from another country, understands my English speaking, or at least can go to translate.com for free and just see what's going on. In Russian, pig Latin, I don't know, is there little piggies going around reading my things? And I love sausage and bacon, so if you're a piggy, run. Okay, I'll just keep it simple, guys. Thanks for the last 11 minutes, okay? Time is everything, guys. I'm almost 60 years old, and I'll tell you what, I value my time, just like I value your time. And you, even if you're a young whippersnapper, you should value your time too. Don't waste time on things that don't work. Business cards work, Vistaprint. GoDaddy's the best in my opinion. Use them. Get a nice domain name and forward to Live Good. Live Good works. The products are great. If you don't like them, you got 3 months to get your money back. It's only $49.95 to climb aboard. And if you join my team, I love it. And I'm going to send you a nice email about everything that I do. 100% everything that I do to be successful and to be number 27 in the company out of 1.7 million. I'm pretty proud of that. Okay. So homework, joincory.com. Number 2, have fun, be entertaining, have a sense of humor, and be yourself. Okay. Those are pretty good tips. And if you join me in a month or 3 months or 6 months, you're going to write me back and go, those really work. Peace and love, guys. Surprise. Subscribe. How about surprise me and subscribe? That's a hard word to my YouTube channel. Bookmark, excuse me, my Facebook page as well. Okay, I'm there every day screwing off. Peace and love, guys. Talk to you next video. Bye.